Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is winter special lemon dal. Lemon dal is a flavorful Indian lentil dish infused with the tangy goodness of lemon juice. The combination of lentils and lemon creates a nutritious dish rich in protein, fiber and essential vitamins. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, promoting muscle health and providing a sustained energy release. The dish is generally low in fat and can be part of a balanced diet supporting weight management and heart health. Let's start the recipe. Take 3/4 cup of tur dal. Add water and clean 2 times. Drain the water. The inclusion of lemon juice adds a dose of vitamin C, known for its immune boosting properties and antioxidant benefits. Now add cleaned tur dal into the vessel and add 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of turmeric, half chopped onion, 3 or 4 green chilies. Adjust green chilies as per your taste. You can use pressure cooker for this recipe, but the taste may differ. Cooking dal in this process is much tastier than when we cook in pressure cooker. Cook on high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Now close and cook on low to medium heat. The fiber content in lentils aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Dal is cooked perfectly. You can see in the video. Now add 1/3 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. You have to add all these ingredients after the dal is cooked perfectly. Close and cook on low heat. Switch off the heat and mash the dal. Add lemon juice extracted from 2 lemons and adjust salt as per your taste. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Mix well. In a pan, add 10 to 12 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 1 red chili, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin, 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 tablespoon of chana dal. Add half chopped onion, 3 or 4 chopped garlic and few curry leaves. Saute until onion turns light brown. Add tadka to the dal. You can serve this dal with rice, chapati or roti. Very healthy and tasty lemon dal is ready. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.